This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on PC. First, you will need to download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. Once installed, create a new Epic Games account or simply log in if you already have one. Then, search for Fortnite within the launcher and click to begin the installation process. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience, which typically includes a modern operating system and at least 8 GB of RAM. Once Fortnite is installed, mastering the controls is key. You will use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard to move your character forward, left, backward, and right. The spacebar is for jumping, allowing you to navigate obstacles. For combat, left-click your mouse to shoot your weapon and right-click to aim precisely. Your mouse also controls your camera, letting you look around the environment and track opponents. Fortnite's core gameplay involves 3 main elements. First, gather resources like wood, stone, and metal by hitting objects with your pickaxe. These are crucial for building. Second, use those resources to construct defensive structures such as walls, ramps, and floors to protect yourself or gain high ground. Third, find weapons, ammunition, and shield potions scattered across the map to enhance your combat readiness. Always be aware of the shrinking storm circle, which pushes players into a smaller safe zone. To achieve a victory royale, consider these helpful tips. Practice building quickly and efficiently. This skill provides a significant advantage in firefights. When starting a match, try landing in less contested areas to gather good loot without immediate pressure. Always keep a close watch on the storm timer and map to avoid being caught outside the safe zone. Finally, if playing with friends in squad modes, clear communication is vital for coordinated attacks and successful team play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.